Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's awesome that you're tuning in. So in this video we are going to take a close look at the all new G4 Pro or the PlayStation 4 Pro from our friends from China. When you take a close look at this box, they are doing a lot of effort ripping it off the original PlayStation 4 Pro. And not like the box size, but like the way how it looks. I have no idea what the end game of this. Did he want to deceive somebody, or is this just more like a hot collectible? Let me know in the comments what you think of this. Sadly, there is not a lot of information on the box itself, only then the system itself, two controllers, and says GS4 Pro, basically on every single freaking side. Okay, so let's open it up then, because there is nothing else to talk about the box. The box is still in very good condition. That's a very rare thing. Normally they are completely bust up due to transport. No, nothing inside. So this is what you're going to get. We're going to get the system itself with this unique design. You can slide it open. First of all, let's smell this thing. It doesn't smell chemical at all. Over here we're going to get the power, the reset, the slot for the Famicom games. I'm curious if this thing has some bowling games. At the back we're going to get the input for the DC. Oh man, is it going to be like the horrible power supply that we're going to get in the previous models. AV out support. This is going to be an audio jack. And also we're going to take a close look inside later. Alright, so here we're going to get two controllers, like a PlayStation Mini, like Cabera said, like micro versions. Only AB, select start, and horrible D-pad. There are no shoulder buttons, and they connect with this old school port. And if I'm saying correctly this time, it's going to be a Mega Drive. They're quite sturdy. We can break them, let's put it that way. I'm not going to do that today. Here we're going to get the old school AV out cable. Oh boy. And here we're going to get the power supply. The power supply doesn't look that bad. 9 volt 300 milliamps, so this is not a very, let's put it this way, it's not a very interesting power supply. It's just a really basic one, and it also feels very flimsy and cheap. To prevent dust, keep the cartridge slots closed when not in use. And why does it, what the hell is going on? Like, we're having all these different models. Are you saying that they, oh my gee, look at this. They have a collection of these things. PlayStation means, yeah, the PlayStation 1 Slim, normal. I'm guessing this is the PlayStation 3 model, PlayStation 3 Slim. What the hell is going on? Look at this, Xbox. Oh boy, they have a full collection, but this thing doesn't come with a light pistol, gun, thing, light, whatever. No, there is no, yeah, that's not, oh man. Otherwise I can grab my CRT, but let's connect this bad boy and let's see what we're going to get. Oh damn, there was a lot of noise. Oh yeah, absolutely, cable nightmare here. Alright, so there's going to be a mono sound over here, the red one, and the yellow for display. Wow, they're not even fitting very well, but okay, I think it will be the same position. Alright, let's power it up, but first, slide it open. Power on. Oh yeah, and they ripped off the Final Fight song again. Curious what kind of games we're going to get on this device. Let's take a close look at the list itself. So the 201 are actually 200 games. Let's do a quick scroll through the list. Double Dragon 3 on 161. Let's scroll through the list itself. Let's go back. Let's see if we can find the game again. Here we see Hexapod War, a new. Is there another Double Dragon over here? It seems to be not, so this time we're going to get a lot of double games, or maybe not. Seems to be not. Wow, there's actually a 200, it's actually like a 201. But you can see like the list is quite extended with a lot of, let's say, naughty games. If you know what I mean with that. Oh man, I think you can't see it on the camera, but the display is having a lot of interference because of the horrible signal output. But this game seems to be running just fine. The controllers are feeling really flimsy, but still, even despite of the horrible D-pad, we can play some games. Oh crap. Triple balls! Okay, so let's try Tank. One of my all-time favorites. But that's what they're always doing with these freaking things. Giving us homebrew games and a lot of naughty games. Holy crap! I want the power up, I want the power up! Oh, I got an extra tank. So for the people familiar with my channel, I just needed to play this game again. It's so much fun. Oh, they ripped off so many games, and this is one of the great examples. Angry Bird characters in this weird adventure game. Can I finish the stage this time, or am I going to mess it up again? And I messed it up again. Yep, I will never learn. So in the next step, let's try some games. And let's see how they're working. And it seems to be that it works just fine. Oh, the signal output of this thing is so bad. Groovy! Just saying it because there's no sound effect at all. Ooh! Ow! I suck at the 60-bit version, but I suck even more with this version. This is really bad. Go away! Freaking crow. I give up. Okay, so let's take a close look in the inside. The only thing that we needed to do is removing a couple of these sparkers so we can just open up this bad boy. Oh, I think there is not a lot inside. Like most of these devices, like we're going to get this tiny PCB that is the main board and everything. So I did like the controller ports that were on the side. Very cool design. But I don't get it, like why they are making these devices. Is there still a market over there that's want to play 8-bit? Oh, don't get me wrong, I love to play 8-bit games, like official Mario games. But the thing is, like, I have an original NES for that. And the signal output of this device is so bad that I cannot even recommend playing on it. So even if you want to. It's pretty cool that there's 200 games built inside, so that is really cool. So if everything goes like it should be, I can now open it up. So this is the upper shell with the sliding mechanism. The only thing that it is like two shells click together. Here we can see the two buttons. So that's it. That's the only thing that we're going to get. And this is the bottom part. Okay, so there's a lot of ribbon cables over here. Input for the power supply. We give the juice to the main board. A lot of ribbon cables over here connecting the two controller ports. Of course, here the on and off and reset button. This is the main board itself that also contains all the chips, including the games and such kinds of things. But there is no production date whatsoever, so let's remove this first. Go away. And also the connector itself, but that was more like a Captain Obvious moment. Okay, so we're removing these two. We can remove the mainboard at home, yeah. But also at the bottom there is no information whatsoever. So that's it, folks. Oh wait, yeah, at the bottom we can see like it is revision 1.1. 2019 is this product produced. So that is the thing I also wanted to know. And here the chips has nothing of information that makes sense to me at the moment. I'm guessing this is the storage chip, but in the end, like I would need to Google it, but like these weird chips that I've never seen before. So when you Google in the chips itself, most time it will not get any hits. But nevertheless, this is what you're going to get in the inside. A lot of plastic, fantastic. Maybe this can be a fun product to stick a pie in or something like that. But let me know in the comments, what do you think of products like these? Are there people out there collecting them, or is it us nobody gives a crap about? Alright guys, so this is what you're going to get with the GS4 Pro Edition. Oh man, I must say, like, I find it very funny to check these products out, but in the end I was already knowing that it's going to be like a really shitty product. I do like the box itself, but it's just a shame. Even though it has 200 built-in games, we have the possibility to play Famicom games, but sadly the signal output is pretty damn awful. I want to thank you for watching, consider subscribing, hit that little bell, become one of the Wicked family, and we'll see you in the next video.